Here's a demonstration on how to post Salesforce cases directly to Slack. First, let's walk through an example. If I go ahead and create a case with the priority of critical, and set the case origin and hit save, we're going to get a Centro record block posted in Slack in the channel, and we can then see that it links the thread directly here. So new thread. We can see that posted directly here with the thread linked and custom buttons. And then we have the flow on how that is created. This is a record triggered flow that fires on case create when the priority is set to critical. I have set a variable to subject that is set to the subject of the case. This allows me to use it as a merge tag when I post to Slack. Then, using the Centro flow element, send notification message, I've hard-coded this to go to the help desk triage channel. I can then type in a custom message in this prompt and then link the case directly using these attach record variables. In this case, I'm just passing through the triggering record here. I'm linking it to the channel and then linking it to the thread. This is how you then post a object to Slack directly to a channel and link the thread. This can be done with any object, custom or standard. Please reach out with any questions.